Zhengyuan truck-mounted water well drilling rig is fully hydraulic top drive, efficient and multifunctional mechanical equipment, which can be widely used in drilling water wells, geothermal wells, monitoring wells, grouting holes, rescue wells, foundation reinforcement injection holes, various deep hole rock drilling processes. Supports various customization, working from 200 meters to 3,000 meters with air compressor or mud pump to achieve dual use of water and gas. Truck-mounted rig can rapidly from transport mode into operation. Shorten the operation time to prepare.